Hello, all my kindergarten friends. We need to practice something. You know what that is? We need to practice blending the beginning and ending sounds of a word. I have some animal friends up here with me today, and they're going to help us practice blending the beginning and the ending of a word together. Here we go. So, my first animal friend is pig. So let's listen. P-ig. P-ig. Put them together. Pig. You try it. P-ig. Pig. Or you can put your fingers together like this. We'll do different things throughout the year to help us learn to blend beginning and ending sounds. Next, we have our two friends here, mice. So let's try the word mice. The beginning sound is and the ending sound is ice. So let's put it together and you get ice, mice. Try it one more time. Ice, mice. All right. Our next animal friend is Mr. Horse. So, horse. What's the beginning sound of horse? It's a very soft H. So you have, and then the ending sound is orse. All those letters go together to say orse. So say orse, horse. Try it one more time. Orse, horse. Now we have fish. Beginning is and the end is ish. Now let's put it together. Ish, fish. Try it one more time. Ish, fish. Okay. My last animal friend is Mr. Bear down here. So the word bear starts with B, and the ending sound is air. So you have B, air, bear. You try. Did you do it by yourself? I'll help you do it one more time. B, air, bear. So it's important to blend beginning and ending sounds together to make a word. See you later.